Hello everyone, this is my review of this cold press juicer. It's slow masticating. It's not a blender. It's very easy to juice and separate the pulp and the juice, and I'll put it together and demonstrate for you. This piece goes on here and locks in place just like that, very easy. Then you put your 2 cups on either side of it. They have chutes for your juice on the right side and the chute for your pulp on the left side. Now I'm adding my fruit. I'm using cherries, and these cherries have the seeding, so you can see how well this works even with seeded fruit. It separates them really great. Now I just flip this tab up and you can see all the nice juice come running out. You can see how nice and runny the juice is without any of the pulp there in it, so it's separated. And here's all the pulp in the other container. So I hope this review helped.